Hello, my beautiful skulls! Welcome to another Halloween makeup tutorial. In this tutorial, we will do Scarecrow from mostdead.com. If you watched my previous video, you could see that with these masks, everything is fast and easy. First, I will clean my face with alcohol. Applying Prosthetic in the center of my face, and I will do that exactly the same way on my mask. Okay, I think I'm ready. So let's put this mask. As you see, I need to add Prosthetic here and on those stitches. Yeah, perfect. I'm feeling so comfortable when I'm wearing these masks. They're so good. You can stay all day and all night with these masks. Now I need to start to paint my mask. But coffee first. First I will start painting this part under the mask and this part here. Of course I will add the same colors here and on my neck, and after that, well, not after that, at the end I will add some blood. And for that part I will use 3 tones of red. Nice. With the smallest brush I have, I will fill wrinkles, and they're so tiny, but I can do it. With darker red, I will fill this part to make more depth and 3D effect. This is very easy because you already have place where to put everything. And of course, I am blending in. If I have these masks all the time, I would do my videos every day. This is so fun. I will use fluffy brush and blend these edges. It's a bigger surface, so that's why I'm using sponge. This tone is very similar to skin tone, but on my mask it's gonna look more darker. So I will start with this color as my basic color for mask. Yeah, as I said, it looks darker. When I finish with this basic color, I see easily where I need to apply dark brown color, so I will start from the biggest freckles. With a fluffy brush, I am blending this dark paint with this basic color just to look more realistic. My face looks more wrinkly now. Now I will fill the smallest wrinkles here, but not everywhere, just a little bit of somewhere. I am so concentrated. I really want to make this perfect. Well, I did a little bit more. It's time for stitches. Should I paint my stitches in white or in black? Black, because I can do highlights on them. I don't have too much stitches, and I'm using Kryolan Supracolor in black. This is fabulous! Okay, now I will add white Supracolor to make highlights on stitches. Now they look more realistic. It's time for add eyelashes. Finish this area around eyes and blood. I am not quite sure which eyelashes to put. Yeah, definitely I will wear different eyelashes, but I will take out this one because I don't see very good right now. So I will finish first my makeup, and after that I will bring back my another eyelash. Dark red and brown around my eyes, and I will see at the end, will I add some black or not? We'll see. So first I'm going with red and brown. It's time for blood! Adding HD Kryolan, fresh blood. And I will make my nostrils bloody, around my eyes, on each stitch, and my lips. Let's start first from my nose. Oh my god! I love this blood because it shines so long, looks fresh every minute. With a stipple sponge, I will add more of blood around this part. Yes. And over stitches, around my lips. I finished! And now, ladies and gentlemen, Kika as a scarecrow. Where are my teeth? My teeth! So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. See you next week.